In the past year, Runner has installed more than 60 UR robots in their production line. There are various applications which include robots working in tandem, in product assembly, product pick-and-place processes, injection molding, degating, heat welding and gas testing, pre-placing of parts, automatic pick-and-place, vision-guided pick-and-place, and robots on slides managing injection molding machines. With so many steps in the assembly process, it is difficult for most single-arm robots to do everything efficiently. That isn't a problem in this setup with two UR robots working in tandem. With flexible joints and compact size, they take up very little room, so two different arms can share the same space, enabling the entire process to be accurate and flexible. When assembling a product, the robot first takes the nut from the vibration disc exit and places it into the point, picks up the part to be machined, and then finally removes it. With the UR robot joints capable of 360-degree rotation in each direction, the robot handles the assembly process requiring great flexibility. A UR robot was inverted and installed in the same space as a small disc workstation. After the screw is tightened, the robot takes out the finished product and chooses the position depending on the condition of the conveyor. One UR10 robot can complete 4 processes: injection molding, degating, heat welding, and gas testing, while a traditional production worker typically does only one process and leaves the semi-finished products to be passed on to the next process via the turnover box. When pre-inserting a part, a UR robot can operate 3 sets of injection molding machines. Utilizing a tool mounted with 6 grippers and a flexible wrist joint, the robot can quickly switch to any loading position. Using the high flexibility elbow joint, the gripper moves from above to free up horizontal movement. This UR robot is equipped with a vision system to locate parts. Just put a part on the conveyor, and the visual system determines its type and locates position. This data is transmitted to the robot, which picks up the part, reducing the need for manpower in the feeding process. Fitting a UR robot on a slide rail can extend its effective reach. The rail eliminates the need to move a heavy fixed machine and supports a multi-workstation operation. A robot can automate the process